Video 44. Export format in Allplan. Here, guide you how to export PDF format. First, select the command on the Export PDF data. Allplan toolbar to display a dialog box. All the drawings created in the dialog box. Here, select the ground floor drawing of the project to show. Then click OK. File Export PDF data displays a dialog box. First, choose the path to save the drawing. Here, select the save location as desktop. File Save display name drawings on the display screen. We can change the drawing name of any save file as PDF. Then click Save. Position is displayed on the screen that I clicked on. After exporting to PDF format, the drawing opened automatically on the screen. Then click OK. On the screen showing the ground floor drawing, which includes drawing frame, drawing name, and ground made in Allplan software. Similarly, export all drawings to PDF format, including floor plan, and roof plan. I invite you to watch the next tutorial on how to build 3D models in Allplan through videos about Allplan Architectural.